potato stew, I'm using half onion. Again, you can use less onion for this. 1 tomato chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, some coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, 2 or 3 green chilies you can use, because I am not using chili powder for this recipe. So 2 to 4 green chilies can be used. And I also need some curry leaves. I forgot to take it from the fridge. And then I have 2 small tomatoes chopped like this, like into cubes. And then I used usually you can just make this with potatoes, but since my kids don't eat a lot of vegetables, I try to add them in the curry. So my little one loves carrots, so I just use some chopped carrots and green peas as well. So these are the ingredients, and as usual the spices are minimal for this. I'm not using chili powder, just turmeric powder, black pepper and salt. I'm also using canned coconut milk. Usually in Kerala we use fresh coconut milk because coconut is available here. I'm using the canned coconut milk. We poured like 2 teaspoons of oil and few mustard seeds. You can see the oil is hot and the mustard seeds start spluttering. When it splutters, you can hear tick 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 sound, and that's when you know that the mustard seeds are spluttering. Okay, I'm going to add the green chilies. Careful. Slit green chilies. Give it a quick stir. Add a little bit of coriander leaves. Save a little bit for later. Okay. And for this curry, you don't have to wait until the onion gets sauteed or brown. You just don't have to wait for all these things. You can dump everything together. So just give a quick stir, because sometimes the ginger garlic's raw smell, people won't like it. So I added the onion, ginger garlic and green chili just for a few seconds to get that raw smell go away. And then I'm going to add the potatoes. Potatoes are coming. Look how colorful they are. Even if your kids don't like vegetables, if it looks like very colorful, there is a tendency that kids might try it, So I'm adding this. I'm also throwing those tomatoes in. Again, give it a quick stir. Okay, now let's add the spices. Turmeric powder, you can use any ground turmeric powder. I don't have grounded black pepper, so I'm using this much black pepper and just grinding so I can add it to the stew. Grind the pepper, adding that to the potatoes, some turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, okay. So you can hear the sound of cooking. At this point you can add some water, very less water, okay, because we are adding more coconut milk to this. Adding water. Okay, close it with the lid. Adding 2 tablespoons of coconut milk into this. So coconut milk is canned coconut milk is usually very thick, so you can add if it is very thick coconut milk, for 2 tablespoons you can add 1/4 cup of water to it. Stir it, and mommy is going to put that in this potato curry that you like, the stew.
I like
you want the potatoes to be mushy?
No, I like the potatoes because they're mushy when they're in the potato stew, and I can just eat them.
The coconut milk. Good job. Yeah, you can add the whole thing.
Oh, you said slowly. so-
Slowly add,
Oh, so you
not little
so
by
you
little.
mean you can't go like
Yeah, because it's fire.
See, they're all sticking.
Okay, cook it for 5 more minutes. Oh, our curry is ready. Add the remaining cilantro leaves and keep it away from the flame now.
I take the appam, then I dip it in the potato stew. Then I try to take a piece of potato. Sometimes don't. Because I need to save potato.
Potato?
Don't eat it.
Oh, don't talk
Chew
while
it.
you're...
Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. It's awesome. No.
Eat slowly. Oh my god. This is not the way to eat appam and potato.
Potato tastes like cheese.
Really? That's good. I turned potato into cheese.
No, you didn't. It just tastes like cheese.
No, I turned. I cooked.
Mama put cheese in the potato.
No, babe.
There's so much potato stew. Eat my
I took one palappam in a
Eat.
bowl. I made one palappam or appam in a plate, and I'm going to serve that with the potato stew.
A T. What does that spell?